OK。Alright，而家係我哋嘅第三堂嘅math 堂。其實你哋係咪個個都識中文先？如果個個識中文，我用一種語言，唔使 switch 兩種語言，係咪啊？答我啊！Set 一定識中文啦，頭先我同佢講中文。Yan 係咪識中文嘅？係俾個分我，或者舉手講 yes。Carol 係咪識中文嘅？有冇人唔識中文嘅呢度？Anyone don't understand Chinese? Is it everyone speaking Chinese? So I use one language instead of two? 唔答嘅，俾啲指示我啊，咁我知道你係點。OK，如果我盡量兩種語言啦。如果一種語言就會快啲。OK，so four x minus three，你哋唔好喐，可能因為你哋喐嘅關係，所以嗰個 board 我寫嘅時候就好艱難。其實我平時教學生唔係咁嘅。OK，so now this question, the first thing we do is we doing the distribution. One to finish the bracket. Okay, one and then two to cancel the bracket. Okay, so 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, positive, negative, negative, 12. Okay, so here is 7x minus 10. Okay, we don't change anything here. Now, we put the like term together. Next step, put the like term together. Like term meaning the thing, they are the same. X is X the same. 7x and 4x, they are the like term. Okay, and the number here, right here, 12, we call constant. 12 and 10. This in mathematics we call constant. 中文就係不變數。OK， 好啦，寫你唔知點解發生咩事，上你哋堂會係咁樣。Constants, okay? So 4x and 7x we call x term, okay? You can call it variable. BLE. Okay, so we need to put the like term together. This is the like term concept. So to do that, I would transpose this one to here. Why not I don't transpose this one to here? If I transpose this one to here, I know I will become a negative x. I don't want to deal with negative x because I told you a lot of students, they deal with the negative thing. And then the last step, they forgot to settle the negative side and then making the question wrong. So a good habit is dealing with the positive x, move it. Negative, positive, become negative. Negative 4x. And then here, this side, you have negative 12, right? And then this one, move to it, become positive 10. Okay, so you have negative 2, and you have 3x, and then you move, next step, transpose. This is a times, 3 times x. A times transpose to the other side is divided. Okay, so remember, let's do, I do one more step for you, okay? So it's negative 2 divided by 3, and then x. But by habit, we will put the unknown on the left-hand side. This is the habit of doing mathematics. So remember what I told you? If A equal to B, actually in mathematics, meaning B equal to A. So switch it. X equal to negative 2 over 3. when we end the question, we usually need to mark the answer. This is a very good habit. Mark your answer. You could mark it this way, or for my habit, I like to do it this. Okay, to you. Let's take the easier way that student like to do it. It's good habit, always a good habit to mark your final answer. Okay? 有冇問題啊，學生？英文聽唔聽得明？唔明，我要中文講多次。俾 feedback 我啊，有冇問題？OK，我用中文講多次，先拆括號，OK，正得正，所以4x 呢個拆括號嘅過程係乘嘅4x，跟住咧正負，所以4乘3-3係-12。咁呢邊係唔需要喐嘅，跟住第二步咧做 transpose 嘅過程，我會堅持我係中意將嗰個 x 令到個 x 係正數，因為我見到好多學生做數嘅時候，當佢嗰個 x 係負數嘅時候，佢最後嘅答案，佢最後嗰步一定做錯，我見到太多咁嘅情形，所以喺開頭呢個 basic 俾學生嘅時候，我係期望佢係做。將佢帶過去正數，你知道如果將呢一邊轉過去嘅時候，你個 x 一定係正數嘅，所以轉去呢邊，OK，咁就變咗正4x 變咗負4x，OK，咁跟住再將呢個負十褪過去嗰邊就變成正十，OK，所以-12加10。如果假設你仲未曾識呢個過程，你可以暫時用計數機嘅。你一個計數機一撳落去，你就即刻知道係-2 ，OK？咁7x 減4x 就係3x，OK？3x 即係意思3乘x，將個乘褪走去嗰邊，我上次同你講過噶啦，就變成除，OK？呢個 A over B 其實即係 A 除 B，所以-2除3，OK， 褪過去除，OK，所以同埋我哋有個習慣，嗰個 unknown 即係 x 一定喺左手邊嘅，而喺數學嚟講咧，我哋呢個叫 subject of equation，你要識呢個字，OK，subject of formula 或者係 subject of equation。一定喺左手邊，呢個係數學嘅習慣嚟嘅，OK？就將佢褪翻去左手邊。如果假設你熟咗嘅時候，咁你可以直頭將呢個 step 唔要呢個 step 都得嘅，OK？如果你熟直頭個腦去 switch，即刻 switch 呢個 step 其實唔係咁重要嘅，OK？All right，So please copy the question first. When you do one time, you will understand the process. Please copy it first. 當我教書嘅時候，我好中意 box out 嗰啲嘢嘅。因為 box out 啲嘢即係話俾你聽，實際做數嘅時候，你唔需要去嘅。OK？只不過係我解釋俾你聽，用嚟解釋俾你聽嘅嘢都抄低佢。All right, when I teach student, I like to give extra information, and then I will tell the student I will use circle it or box it, and that means those things you don't have to provide in your exam, but it is good to write down as a note because when we learn, everything is just get into our short-term memories. Okay. If we put down the note, when we forget, we can see the note and then refresh our memories. So a good student must have a good note. I just sent up the homework assignment that my daughter did when she was homeschooled. You see, she present everything very clearly. Okay? So it is important. It's important for student to have a habit to have a present the data, present the homework in a clear way. 頭先我啱啱 send 上我女女homeschool 嘅時候，我俾佢嘅 homework， 你見到佢做嘢係好有條理嘅。OK，雖然當時佢仲係好細，寫字唔係咁靚，但係好有條理，好整齊嘅，所以好重要嘅。一個好嘅學生咧，一手好嘅筆記係非常重要。抄好你嘅筆記啊，有唔明可以隨時開咪問我，問到明為止，冇問題嘅。嗱，老師係其實同你哋一齊成長嘅過程，OK？我教你，我都學到好多嘢嘅，所以係你都教翻我轉頭噶喎。我而家學係你哋嘅 student 喎。It's a mutual growth process. Teaching, parenting, it is a mutual growth process. Okay? You learn from me, I also learn from you. To be a better teacher, to be a better mom. Write down things. If you have things you don't understand, ask me. Okay, Emily, welcome to ask question. Okay? And if you need extra time, just call me anytime privately, okay? We can be friends. We can talk more about mathematics, all right? 俾啲 feedback 我，今日學生好靜喎，俾啲 feedback 我。嗯，完咗就話俾我聽完咗。
OK，
Good, very good，好有自信心嘅，OK，非常之好。good，好清晰。其他學生咧，好中意你，Zach，好有自信心，非常好。其他學生都 OK，good, very good。Okay, okay, good. All right. Okay, so I delete it. And another thing I want to tell you in mathematics, if negative A over B, actually it also means negative A over B, it also means the same. A over negative B. They are the same thing. Okay, when you see these three things, actually they are means the thing. They means the same thing. Okay, write down as your note. Okay. All right. So this time I will give a question. I will ask a student to do it. Okay. 8p minus 18 equal to 3 times bracket p plus 3 bracket. Okay. Remember the thing first you do solve this one. 1, 2. Okay. Finish the parenthesis first. 邊一個學生想做呢條題目俾我啊？有冇學生想做呢條題目？Any student want to do this question? Anyone want to do this question? 樂樂 can you do it? 先將嗰個 equal 拉 up 嗰個 equal，拉 up 個 equal，一定要拉 up 個 equal，做數好重要嘅，要拉 up equal。Very good, good, good。 Good, good, very good, very good, very good.非常之好啊，very good. This is actually is a very good answer. All right, mark your answer. 最後嗰步，mark your answer。記唔記得？係啦，非常之好。我睇唔到邊個做，大聲話俾我聽邊個做呢條數嘅，係做得非
我
常好。
係樂樂。
樂樂好勁啊！非常之好，非常之好，樂樂非常之好。OK，仲有一樣嘢我想話俾你聽。If a fraction 如果係個 fraction 上面係大過下低嘅，OK，this one the upper term we call numerator。睇下有冇位置，等我縮細啲吓。你要學呢啲字嘅 numerator，numerator，OK，TOR，唔知發生咩事，上你哋堂係好難寫字。呢一個係 denominator，D non，唔知發生咩事咧，咁難寫嘅支筆。denominator，OK？If the numerator is bigger than the denominator，我哋喺數學上叫做 improper fraction。improper fraction。OK，要識呢啲字嘅。OK，if if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we call proper fraction。If we have a 1 and 2 over 5, we have something at the beginning we call mixed fraction。OK，抄低個筆記啊。咁如果喺高等數學，其實 improper fraction 係好 OK 嘅。咁開頭如果啲你學初級數學嘅時候，啲老師小學嘅時候，老師就一定要你做嗰個 mixed fraction，但其實如果你做 IGCSE 呢個 course，你唔需要咁做嘅，因為我 target 你係 higher tier。IGCSE 數學有兩個程度嘅，一個叫 lower tier 係好簡單嘅。OK，你考完簡單嘅，你想去報考大學，其實都冇乜用嘅，因為係俾普通嘅學生去讀。
我要去廁所啊！
去啊！我等你。
吓，俊俊啊！俊俊都喺度噶，大佬。
係啊！
呢個名係
翻嚟
唔可以上堂定上堂嗰陣 call 咗一就，你係專心上堂。
聽唔到俊俊喎。
聽唔到。小白花食飯嗰啲人唔該。
OK，right answer in higher mathematics your answer is in proper fashion. It's no problem. You don't have to. 係
Hello，咩事啊？有人嗌我個名嘅，啱啱聽到。
邊個嗌你啊？你係邊個？話俾我聽。
真係個女仔啩？
有個女仔嗌你啊？咁好啊？
梗係啦。
咁邊個女仔嗌你啊？
唔知啊。
OK，抄低啲筆記先啦。你做得好好，做得好好，樂樂好勁啊！抄完俾個指示我，俾個 feedback 我，話你抄完咗。OK，而家學生有冇唔明啊？啲題數，樂樂可唔可以話俾我聽你幾多歲啊？樂樂，
我而家9歲半。
喂，你好勁啊！9歲半做到咁嘅數，你好勁喎。絕對係勁㗎喎，加油喎，好有潛能喎。可能仲會叻過我女女 Paris
多謝
喎。
Doctor Lai。
加油，好冇？加油，好勁。OK，抄好啦，係咪？抄好下一題，好冇？我哋加快個速度少少。5 bracket x plus 2 equal 3 times bracket x minus 4 close the bracket. So to do this question, again, 1, 2, left hand side, finish the bracket first. And again, 1, 2, on the right hand side, finish the bracket first. 邊一個學生想做呢一題？ Any student want to do this question? I don't delete this. I indicate for you. Any question want to do? 好。記住一定要做數，一定要拉 up 個 equal，非常之好。係啦，非常之好。把聲又係樂樂，係咪？
呢個我啊。
你係咩名？話俾我聽，因為我睇唔到邊個做。
Zack 啊
Zack 都好勁啊！哇，Zack 幾多歲？話俾我聽。
11歲。
好勁，加油！
OK。
幾多歲都唔記得咗啊！
就係
係咪要諗幾多歲？
等於
好，做完數先諗，唔緊要。
等下，呢個擺過去咧，就係咁多。
嗱，你小心一樣嘢喎。你呢度我成日同你講，係咪屬於佢㗎？你前面嗰個符號係咪屬於你㗎？
係啊。
所以你要擠翻個符喺度，擠翻個符喺前面。係啦。好啱。
之後等下，
可以直接減，查咗佢先。
幫我查
寫翻上啲，唔好離咁開啊。係啦。寫高啲係咪？我知道啊，有時係難嘅，唔緊要。係咪2x啊？你想寫？
係啊，7x 啊。
5x 減3x，
係7
唔緊要。
2x
寫翻去，改翻去啊。
2x 等於負12減12，即係負22。
係，very good。 跟住咧最後一步，
所以咧就係 x 咧就係
係
等於
要做多步兩步，係等於
負廿二
係係好叻喎，好叻好叻，跟住又減去 simplify。
等於
喺呢度個等於喺呢度寫，要拉一個 equal，唔好
等等我
壞習
整翻
慣
低佢
出走嚟走去。呢度寫落下低，
OK，
你可以喐嗰個screen 嘅，你用個 mouse 可以調校個 screen。
x 等於負11
Mark your answer，唔需要負11 over 1，就咁負11就 OK 噶啦。over 1係冇意義嘅，
好啦，
就咁 final answer 負11。我啱啱解釋俾你聽啊，
好，
寫負11，然之後 mark your final answer，寫低
等於負11
mark your final answer。
斜咁樣入。喂，做乜事啊？斜啊！
咩啊？斜哦，等於負11
係，然之後 mark your final answer。
喺個11下邊畫。
哦，OK，
唔使喺呢度，喺呢度 mark your final answer。好習慣永遠要 mark 你個 final answer。OK，你 attend 個 IGCSE exam 必須 mark 你個 final answer。OK，is a good habit。
可能畫。
哦，
OK，可能你要買個 writing pad，你有
仔啊，
冇個？
呢度有個 equation 可以咁樣樣，等等下，佢可能咁樣樣啦，之後我可以類似寫入邊有啲字咁樣樣，之後又可以等等下，俾你望下，
係
之後可以類似咁樣樣，即係可以咁樣樣噶咯。
OK，
但我唔係
no
太識用
problem。Very good. You are right. Okay, you are totally right. Okay, let me explain to you.
誒，
If minus 11 actually is meaning minus 11 over 1, but you don't because everyone knows that is minus 11. You don't need to say the over 1. Okay? Again, 5. It also can be considered as 5 over 1, but we don't write this way. We just say 5. Okay? So remember that. All right? Very good job. Good job. 非常之好，其他學生明唔明啊？
明
明晒，抄咗佢先啦。抄完，然之後 move 下一題。你今堂嘅速度好好喎，非常之好。咁我可以。
我頭先已經抄咗啦。
哦，咁叻，好。其他學生咧，仲有冇學生唔明嘅話俾我聽？唔明可以問噶喎，嗰個底係最重要噶喎。當你嗰個邏輯嗰個底明咗之後咧，你其實可以起飛得好快嘅。最緊要係個 foundation 係 firm。All right, a good foundation is very important. Okay, very good. Let me set alarm first. Alexa, set alarm 1:59 p.m.
Alarm set for 1:59 p.m.
Okay. 其他學生抄完未啊 ？Carol 抄完未啊？抄完話俾我聽啊 ！Ash 抄完未啊？OK, very good。所有學生都好叻，今堂唔錯，加油！唔明睇翻個 video 就 OK 嘅啦。咁我 move on。希望其他學生亦都 participate 去做，俾我睇到你有幾叻。OK，如果係做唔對唔緊要嘅，因為學習我哋所有人從唔對之中學習成長嘅，所以係冇問題嘅。Okay, so again, to do this question, distribute. Okay, solve the bracket. Distribute both sides, solve the bracket. Okay, 邊一個學生想做呢條數啊？有冇個唔同嘅學生想做呢條數？ 咁我就睇到每個學生嘅表現係點樣。Any student want to do this question? Good, 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 Carol. Very good. Good. Good, good. 非常之好。Good. Good. Okay, mark your answer. This is already a very good answer. Very good. Thank you. Perfect. 係啱嘅。Carol，今年幾多歲？話俾我聽。
15歲。
Okay, very good, very good. 你學到啲乜嘢啊？可唔可以話俾我聽？
學到咩個 probability 咯。
Probability. Okay, what kind of probability?
嗰個咩 odds of something happening 嗰啲咯。
Beginning
機會有
probability.
啲嘢。
Because probability is very big, very deep. Is beginning probability or what kind of probability? It's just about the chance or how long have you been
just
learning
about the chance.
Okay.
Begin.
Okay, I got it. Okay, good job, good job. The other student, if I speak Cantonese, can you understand or you have to understand English? Carol?
I understand Cantonese.
Uh-huh. Okay, you understand this. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, 其他學生明唔明啊？其他學生？
落明。
very good。仲有冇？如果有學生唔明嘅，
唔明啊？明。
邊個唔明 ？Ash 唔明係咪
？Ash 唔明啊？
唔明定唔明？
我明。
明係咪
唔明。
？Ash 唔明。好，好，我講多次啊。做得好好，你抄低佢先，然之後我講多次啊。抄完話俾我聽。Ash 幾多歲啊 ？Ash 喺咪度？11歲，好，明白明白，好。OK，抄完話俾我聽，咁我講多一次。
11. Going to 12.
Done, right? Copy finished, right?
Yes. Done.
Okay, fantastic. All right, so we have 4 bracket 5y minus 1 equal, I will explain this question one more time because Ash does not understand it. So first we do distribute first.
I don't understand Chinese.
Who don't understand Chinese?
I understand that. I understand the subject a little bit, but I don't know the Chinese a lot.
Okay, you don't really have to understand Chinese, okay? Because you are taking the English exam, the IGCSE, so don't worry about it, okay? You understand the English word is good for you, all right? In the end, when you go to university, everything is taught in English as well, so don't worry too much. If you're taking the IGCSE part, A-level part, the Chinese that you learn is very simple, not difficult. Okay, you are taking another path for enter into the university, so not to worry too much about the Chinese. Okay.
Okay,
My daughter's Chinese is not perfect as well, so don't worry about it. The same. But of course, she can speak fluently Chinese, can communicate fluently, but reading is not as good as a native student, okay? So it does not matter for that much, but your English must be good in order to go into the university, all right? This is a very basic requirement for the university in Hong Kong. Okay, let me make it cool. Why make it smaller? So small now. Okay, so for Ash 係明廣東話定係英文啊 ？Ash 我用廣東話 ，OK， 4×5=20，你哋唔好喐下，因為你哋喐咗，我啲嘢變得好細。你唔好喐個膊，因為我啲嘢變得好細。20，4×5正4×5y 正5y 係20y， 然之後第二個 distribution 我用第二種顏色啊，4×-1係-4 ，OK， 跟住再到呢個 distribute 3×6y 18y。正3y 乘正6y 18y 正18y， 跟住下一個3×正7 21 ，OK， 然之後跟住 transpose use two-way transpose， 將呢一個轉過去。點解要將18y 轉過去咧？我同你講過最好啲會正數 y， 你知道20y。減18y 一定係正數嘅，呢個 unknown 係正數，所以丟會轉過去，轉呢個過去好過轉呢個過去 ，OK？ 然之後跟住轉呢個-4啦，轉走呢邊，咁係21，然之後加4，-4轉過去係變咗正4，所以呢邊係有25。2y 即係2×y， 將個乘轉過去就變咗除，呢一畫 over 呢一畫係代表除，所以25除2完咗條數。Ash 有冇唔明？話俾我聽。Ash 俾 feedback 啊，老師啊。Ash, you speak English? Do you understand, Ash?
I only understand English, not Chinese.
Okay. So, all right. Okay, so here, distribute 4 times 5x is 20, 4 times 5y is 20y. Is it okay? And then 4 times -1 is -4. And then this side distribute 3 times 6y, 18y. And then 3 times 7, 21. And then now we do two-way transpose. Transpose the 18y into this side because we want to put the light term together. The light term is the y term in here on the left-hand side. So transpose to here. And then while at the same time, transpose the -4 to that side. -4 and 4 and 21 are constant term. We put the constant term on the right-hand side, okay? So, and then we simplify it. 2y, 25. 2 times y, 2y meaning 2 times y. Transpose the times to the other side would become divided. So your final answer is 25 divided by 2. Is it okay? Ash, is it okay?
Okay.
Good, very
Thank you.
good. You're welcome. Okay, now let's go to another question. 10 minus 5x over 3 equal to 2. I will do this question, okay? First, you see our x is trapped on the top, on the numerator position. So first we need to move the thing away from the denominator. Leave my numerator alone, okay? So the first step, I will do that. So here would be 2 times 3. This way to indicate the times is very good, okay? When elementary math, you will say 2 times 3. But when higher math, you will use 2 times 3. This way is the same, meaning times, okay? So this side would be 10 minus 5x, okay? So this is 6, so 10, and then minus 6. So, and this one, we do the same thing at the same time, okay? Faster a little bit. Maybe I do one more step for you, okay? I don't want to make it too fast. So we have 10 minus 5x, we have 6. Okay, and now we transpose. Transpose the 6 to this side, while at the same time, transpose this one to the other side, okay? So we have 10 minus 6, we have 5x. I transpose the 5x to the other side because I told you I like to keep my 5x to be positive. So I have 4, I have 5x, and then I transpose the 5x to that side times transpose the other side become divided. So shift the position, x equal to 4 over 5. And then mark my answer. Is it okay? 有冇唔明?
Wait.
Okay. Take time to digest. When we learn things, we need to take time to process the thinking according to the teacher teaching, and then digest the information. No worry, take time. Okay, which step you don't understand, ask me.
I'm not sure what to say.
So which step you have problem?記住嗰啲畫嗰啲咧，嗰啲我只不過係解釋俾你聽下，你實際計數嘅時候係唔需要咁樣畫㗎。Okay? Those slides I just used to explain to you what I do. Okay? In the actual exam, you just show it this like this, clear, you will be good. Okay? This would be a perfect answer. And again, this is my explanation to you about the times, okay? When you see me use the bracket represent times, that is a common way. 其他學生有冇唔明啊？ 有冇唔明？學生有唔明嘅出聲，冇問題嘅，可以問到明為止。抄完話俾我聽啊，俾 feedback 我啊，咁我知道點做。When you finish writing, please give me feedback. Say done. Copying the thing, say you are done. Good, good. Okay. So now I go for next question. So if you are in a higher level, don't worry about it. This course, it will help you to progress to higher level. Okay, until you have enough knowledge to sit for the IGCSE exam, higher tier. I aim for the higher tier. I don't aim for the lower tier. All right, it's no use to take the lower tier because even you get an A, it doesn't mean you are good at mathematics. Actually, very simple. We aim for the top one. Okay, good. Any student want to do this question for me?
好啦，
好，非常好。當你做嘅時候，要話自己係邊個名，咁啲學生知道你邊個。Set 係咪
？Set
Very good, very good.
OK，咁即係呢個就係7啦。
你真係會衝落去得咯。
我麻麻地識啊。
你褪走嗰個denominator，記唔記得你而家個 x 係 check 喺嗰個 numerator 嘅位置，你要褪走 denominator 嘅嘢，先褪個3去嗰邊啦。
OK。
你困住咗嘛，係咪？嗰個 x 被困住咗。
等下
12減 x，12 minus x
等於過到過去就係減3定乘
呢個係除嚟嘅喎，所以係嗰畫係代表除，係啦，係。
咁12
呢度啊，line up 個 equal 啊，記唔記得我同你講過做數？It's very important to line up the equal when you do mathematics。嗰個係減 x minus 12 minus x。
係 OK。
寫好啲再嚟過，考試唔可以咁噶，睇唔清楚就係錯噶啦，考試嘅時候。所以個 presentation 係好重要嘅，表達清晰係好重要嘅。
OK，咁所以 x 咧就係等於
嗱，我同你講過咧，我係咪 prefer 你將個 x 咧變成正數啊？如果唔係，你就會出現錯誤，因為我見得太多學生係出現咁嘅錯誤。將個 x 調走，同時將呢一個調過去，將個 x 調走去左手邊啦，變成正 x 啦。
加定係
你呢度係加係咪？唔寫嘅時候係代表加係咪？21其實係等於加21係咪？所以加調咗過去變咗減。
OK，x 就係等於減 x 或負 x。
負 x 調過去變成咩啊？
加 x。
係唔使寫個加嘅喎，唔重要嘅喎個加。我同你講過，加 x 其實係等於 x 嘅係咪？所以寫好啲喎，好亂喎。等於你寫等於寫好啲啊。係將個 x 調翻去左手邊 by habit，個 x 必須喺左手邊嘅，最後一步一定個 x 一定要喺左手邊。 唔使寫多步噶啦，直頭寫個答案就 OK 噶啦。呢步係變咗多餘，12減21係咩啊？將個天平調轉啫嘛，冇嘢噶。
等下，
係咪個9字？唔使
負九，
負9係啱嘅。點寫好啲個9字啊？寫字清晰係非常重要噶喎。查咗佢再嚟個。
等下，
考試如果你寫字唔清晰，人哋唔會估你噶，要公平噶，睇唔到就係錯噶啦。
得啦。
OK，記住本身自己做數就要係啦。好 OK，識得用科技非常之好。你嘅 final answer，mark your final answer。唔會一條線嘅，兩條線。你其實最方便咧，咁樣去 mark 個 final answer。OK，你可以咁樣去 mark，好多 traditional school 咁樣去 mark。如果嗰個高深啲嘅數，你嗰個數可能一直去到加3x 加5y，咁你咪有排 mark 嗰條線係咪啊？所以起則跟咁樣 mark，跟阿老師嘅方法去做啊，跟 Dr. Lai 嘅方法去做，最方便係呢個方法，亦都係最簡單。你要 expect 你將來啲數好長噶嘛，係咪？個答案好長，唔係咁簡單。完咗噶啦，完咗噶啦。That would be the final answer. This is a good answer. Okay, we stop here. Okay, good job, good job. I will explain one more time, so don't worry about it. I will do it one more time for you. And this time I will do it in English, but good job. You are right. 12 minus x divided by 3 equal to 7. So this is divided. So first we transpose this divided by 3 to the other side. So we have 7 divided, go to the other side is times. Okay, so what we left, 12 minus x. So here is 12 minus x. 7 times 3 is 21. And now we do the two-way transpose, okay? And this minus x transpose to the other side. And while at the same time, 12 transpose to the other side. So when minus x transpose to the other side, negative become positive. And here, when a plus 21 become transposed to the other side, become negative 21, okay? Now we shift the thing, okay? Put the x back to this side, it's the same. A equal to B is the same as B equal to A. By happy, our unknown must be, the final answer of the unknown must be on the left-hand side, so we shift. 12 minus 21 is negative 9, so we are done. Okay? Is it okay? Ash, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Copy it. Now I delete this kind of thing. You don't need to produce this kind of line in the exam. I just explain to you the process, okay? And this would be a very good answer to get full mark. This one on the left-hand side, okay? The right-hand side, you just explain to you the knowledge behind why I shift this one. Put the x to the left-hand side, minus 9 to the right-hand side. Okay, because A equal to B in mathematics is equal to B equal to A. It's the same thing, just like a balance switch, still the same. Take your time to digest the information. Take your time to digest the teaching, all right? We don't eat very hurry. The same, we don't learn in a hurry. The main thing, we need to have a good foundation. When our foundation is good, everything will be good. You will thrive in a very rapid way. Like my daughter before. First, firm the foundation. So as doing homeschool, Mom, if you decide, I will recommend you first, firm two things, okay? If your aim is university, firm the English language, okay? And the mathematics, they're the foundation for everything. When these two subjects is firm, the knowledge is firm, you can take the other subject very easily. The same when the mathematics is firm, you can take physics, economy, everything very fast. And of course, economy and physics involve a lot of English writing. So if your English is good, those subjects will become easy, English plus math, okay? They are the foundation for learning. When you teach English, it's very important, not just knowing the vocabulary. You have to set up the question to test your kids' understanding, not just the normal understanding, guide them how to think as well, how to analyze the situation, evaluate the situation, how to problem solving the situation. This is very important skill. If you are done, please let me know. Good job, very good job. Okay, good. Good. All right, so go for next question. X equal to 7 minus 2x over 3. Okay, who want to do this question? Alexa, delete alarm. I'll finish this question, then I leave. Anyone want to do this question? Có冇人想做呢條數？ Set?
OK 好咧，OK 好啦。
好，加油！
X 等於樂樂做咩啊？你係咪想寫啊？點解你喺度寫嘅？係啊。咁你寫啦。
將個3褪過去。transpose the 3 to this side. You need to 將啲3褪走。First, transpose the 3 to that side. You need to finish the divided line. Now, very good. Now, group the like term. Group the like term. Transpose the like term to the other side. Transpose this to the other side. Group the like term. Remember, I talked to you before the word like terms. Okay, X and X are like terms. Very good. And on the left-hand side is the constant term, 7. Very good. And now almost the end. Very good. And then transpose the 5 to the other side. And then this question will end. Erase it. Let's do it again. We must write clearly. Okay, and transpose the 5 to the other side. A times become right, 7. Let me write it clearly, okay? It's not so clear. Our writing must be very clear, okay? Very, very good. Good job. You're done. Perfect. Good job. All students have done a very good job today, okay? So I have to go. Otherwise, I don't have time for lunch. I need to eat lunch and then I have the other student, okay? Okay, bye-bye.
我哋一
Bye-bye.
齊傾偈㗎仲。
拜拜。
可以啊，可以啊，你哋留低喺度傾偈啊，我先走啊，拜
Yes。
拜，拜
Hello，
拜，
俊俊。
拜拜，
Hello。我點樣識你㗎？其實
好好，留低傾
喺
偈啊，
高榮嗰度咯。我記得啦，鄉土學社係咪啊？
好優惠。
係咪土優啊？係咪土優啊？
我未走，好。
係咪上水嗰個農